Okay guys, we are talking about Christmas tree storage today, and I want to share with you the bag that I chose for my 7.5-foot tree for this one right here. I'm not taking it down quite yet, but what's important to me, and the mistake I made last year, was to get a 7.5-foot bag, the one that fits the 7.5-foot tree. Size up. Okay, so that's my first piece of advice. You want to size up for a 7.5-foot tree if it's full, like this one, because otherwise you're going to be struggling trying to get it in the bag. But there's a couple other things that make this bag especially unique. First of all, it's canvas. It's not the plastic. Do not get the plastic. It's really big. Look at this. So this is for the 9-foot tree. It's very, very tall. So it's going to fit your fuller tree quite well. And it's also got straps that go around the top so that you can cinch it together. But what I really like about it is that the end with the wheels, first of all, you have to get the ones with the wheels so that you can drag them around like luggage, basically. I keep all my trees up in the attic. We have 11 trees up this year. I love that this is so structured. You see if it's like hard here, it's really going to hold up a lot longer than those that just have like a smaller area that has a little bit more structure. So that's, I think, what makes this one, what really sets this one apart. That and just the sheer size of it. So if you have a fuller 7.5-foot tree or a fuller 9-foot tree, go for this bag. It's really, really big, and it's going to be easy to get it in here. Also, last thing I'll say, do not keep these in the box. Do not keep your tree box, okay? It's going to get dusty. It's going to get yucky. Store it in the bag. You can just recycle the box. Make sure you keep all of the extra lights and any paperwork that might be in there for your warranty. But otherwise, just get rid of the box. You don't need that giant thing in your garage.